Here we go. Going to get her paint job. Well, I made it to Georgia, and that's my sister-in-law. Wave hi.
Hey.
And she got right to work, and she's changing out the valve for the gray water because it leaked.
Someone broke it.
Yeah, they probably hit something and bent it back.
I don't know if you can read it, but it says 3-inch right there.
Okay, and this is a 13-foot Scamp. And you show that brake. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's where it leaked.
Yeah.
So have a replacement. I will put a link below for the replacement on Amazon. And this is a 2015 13-foot Scamp. And we're going to be doing the Goo Gone and get that adhesive off. Got to get the rest of the decals off. This plug right here, just noticed this yesterday. It's coming apart. But that's getting replaced anyway for a detachable cord, not the kind that you have to stick in the hole.
We got it.
And I'll show you what else we got going here. I think I showed you on the other video. Got my cord. That's the cord that we're going to put on it. That's my paint. Got to tone that down. It's a little bit bright for my taste. This is Duralux, and it is called Cruiser Blue. Now, this is the awning that I showed you on my other video. That's the right side of it. And after thinking about it, I thought I might not want to use it. So today I went to a store, and I'll include a little video of that. And my car's a mess because I'm traveling. And I bought this. Much prettier. Also very bright for me. But it was the one I liked the most. So that's what I got. So I am here. My brother's going to do the fiberglass repairs. I think we're going to buff the top and leave it white. Got to get that decal off. And then the bottom will be the turquoise or aqua, whatever color we mix up. And that's it for now. Okay, it's getting dark, so we had to stop for the night. So the Scamp decal is off there. All the decals are off here. And go around. All off there, except for that little one under the vent. That one is actually under the vent, so it's a little more difficult to get to. Now, we got the, my brother and my sister-in-law got that valve on, and while they were under there, they noticed my brother noticed a crack in my gray tank where the pipe meets the tank. So I will insert a picture of that, and tomorrow we are getting something to fix it. They sell some special stuff for that so that I don't have to replace the whole tank. So that's it for tonight. Day 1. Okay, we are on day 2, and my brother is starting the fiberglass work. So you can see here where he's put some filler in there. Gonna work on that. And we just got the supplies to do more work. There's another spot that was fixed. And then over here, so he took this off, this thing that the cord went in. You can see it was all busted up. And he fiberglassed that because now it's going to have a different kind of plug in it. It's going to have the kind that you unscrew and take off instead of having to push it through a hole. So that is what's done so far, and we're continuing work. Taping up the door to protect it from when he paints and does the fiberglass. All right, the fiberglass is done, so the next step is the Bondo. So that's one area. Here's another one. 2 more. 3 more. And then we'll go around. There's the other one. So this is where the cord was, and what my brother did was fill that completely in, because the placer thing that was there for the other cord is larger than the one for the new cord that detaches. So he filled it all in, and then he will drill out the correct size for the new cord. So there it is. So that's it for right now. Well, I decided to mix some paint. So I've got the turquoise there, which was really bright. That's this one right here. And then I mixed it with white, which we mixed in this coffee can thing, because I was adding to it, and the white can was full. And this is what I came up with. And I think it's perfect. It's not dry yet, but I took a box out of the trash, did that one first. And that was a little too baby blue and not enough teal, but I think this one's going to be perfect. So that is what we're going to use. There's the paint. So it's going to rain tonight and tomorrow, so I'm going to be here longer than planned because of the weather. So my brother is working also on this little Volkswagen Bug for someone, working on getting that running. And I'll show you this in case you're interested. That's a fun little car. So there's my camper. He was going to do the Bondo tomorrow, except now it's going to rain. And this is something that we're working on. There's no outside storage for like an extra sewer hose or wheel chucks or anything. I don't feel like I need 2 propane tanks. So we're going to take that hose off and cap it off, the propane. He'll attach this board to the bucket. Right now it's just sitting there. That's not the way it's going to be. And then I can put a dual propane cover over top of them. And that will give me the bucket for storage. So I can put a sewer hose in the bottom and then put wheel chucks on top. Now this is also my brother and sister-in-law's. Let's see if it's open. And I can show you this. Let's see. So they redid this. Made it into a camper, so that goes down to a bed. It was not a camper when they got it. They put the wall covering on, built the cabinets. Got a fridge. There's the front. And they go to Volkswagen meets and camp with people. This is actually one of the clubs they belong to. And they camp with other Volkswagen people. So there's that. Fun times, huh? Let me know in the comments if you ever had a Volkswagen bus. So we're just about ready to call it a night. We're going to put the camper down in the barn because of the rain tonight, and he doesn't want that new fiberglass to get wet. So we'll see you on the next video. Going in for the night because it's going to rain tonight and tomorrow, and we don't want that new fiberglass to get wet. Hopefully the camper won't bottom out as she's going in. And Dun 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 dun. We are also going to try to raise the camper up a few inches while I'm here. That's why it's slow going. They don't want it to bottom out. And that's it. I am going to call this video done. And that's it for day 2. And there it goes. He's checking just to make sure there's like a dip there. And you'll see it go down. They got little ramps. Okay, it's in for the night. See you on the next video. Okay, this is where I'm at. This is in Commerce, Georgia. And you can see I've got my camper with me. So I'm on my way to my brother and sister-in-law's in Beaufort, Georgia. And I decided to come here to look at awning fabric because I may not use the one that I got off Marketplace. But look how big this place is. It's huge. And there's only just a few cars here. So I'm going to go in and see what's in here. I've heard it's humongous. Okay, guys, this is the aisle for outdoor fabrics. Look how far down it goes. So I have a noisy cart, and I'm going to look around. So I'm going to let you go, but I just wanted to show you this. And is it okay?
Yeah. Outdoor over there, okay.
Okay. Look at this. It's huge. There's zippers and supplies. There's upholstery. And then here is outdoor. And you can see this isn't just one layer thick. This is multiples in here. So I'm going to go pick something out.